ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla ubak Kyrmen Shylla ka khatnyo trik ubnai nok pra arjar arpway ula Plie ba ya ka tamasa pre-Christmas Carnival bala pendong de Lions Club of Shillong Divas ha Pegasus Crown Shillong ha ka bala Sakhilang do District Governor ka Lions Club Subhan Karsen u Director ka Printing and Stationery ke Sarkar Jilla uba EDR taryang bat ki khot jong ka club bat kiway.
It is my great distinction to grace this special event today of the Christmas Carnival 2021. It is particularly special because it has been organized by the recently established Lions Club of Shillong Divas, which is the women division of the Lions Club of Shillong. The Lions Club International has long been an organization which I have heard the deepest respect for us. It has been involved in charity activities across the globe with its motto, "Be Serve." It is also involved in protection of our environment, which is the need of the hour, and health-related activities. The most pertinent example are the hospitals set up by the Lions Club of Guwahati and Silchar in their respective cities. Our very own Lions Club, Shillong, has, since its establishment in 1964, made several contributions to our society. In the same way, the Lions Club of Shillong Divas, I have been told, has already organized and fed the hunger program and distribution of woolen blankets, and has several other upcoming projects like diabetes detection camp and eye screening program. What is special about this is that all these activities are spearheaded by our local ladies, hailing from different backgrounds and communities.
I like to remind us of Gandhiji's famous word, the greatest of humanity is being human. It's not just by being human, in fact, but in being humane. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Ladies and gentlemen, as Christmas and New Year of hope approaches, let us all strive to be more humane. Let us find ourselves serving those who need our help. Let us contribute to the overall progress of our human civilization through love, peace, compassion, and understanding.